Namaskar dosto. Today is 6th May 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market where on daily basis on this specific video I disclose my trade plan for Nifty, review my today's trade, share my learning and MTM at end of position at end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading areas. So it looks like Nifty has definitely given confirmation to the bullish reversal what we have seen yesterday. But before we get into Lalaji, let's get into global market. So what we see is that S&P 500 is almost flat and is taking a support at 20 bar moving average and remain is almost flat, and it seems that by morning it may go up. So as of now S&P 500 is considered flat, and interesting thing is US government bond 10-year yield, which is going closer to 1.564, which is a very good sign for all the equity market globally. And dollar index is also going down. So this is also very good sign for emerging market like India. So global cues are looking quite positive today. Now let's look into Lalaji. So now when we look into Lalaji on weekly chart, what we see is that Lalaji has closed today above 8, above 20, above 50, above 200, and most importantly, above monthly pivot and above weekly pivot. So officially now, Lalaji is in uptrend. Now on daily basis, market has closed just below 50, above 8, above 20, and above 200. So here also market is in uptrend. And on 15-minute chart, market has closed above 8, above 200, above 20, and above 50. So here also market looks like in uptrend. So the trend is definitely up. Now let's see what market profile is saying. So tomorrow's market profile is way above today's market profile. So this confirms the trend that market is now in uptrend. Bulls have taken over the market. I think the COVID cases which are getting flattened, and vaccine rollout, and a few news in US about interest rate not going up, etc., and RBI policy is showing its impact. Now for tomorrow, since market is an uptrend, as a defensive trader, the correct strategy is to go for buy on dip. But as usual, when we look into SGX is currently at 14810, which is just above weekly H3 and very closer to R2. So again, a gap up opening maybe if it's opening maintaining the same way and very closer to R2. So tomorrow again, two trade possible. The first trade is assuming that nothing changes and market opens above pivot and above 14802. Then look for first trade, which is a dip towards either previous day high or previous day close. Safer part is pivot, and you can take one trade on short from top to down. And then the correct trade as a defensive trader is buy on dip, either at previous day close or closer to pivot, which is at 14693. Also for tomorrow, the Camarilla L3 is at 14688. 200-day 8 bar, 20 bar, every will come in this range. So now this 14700, 14720, this zone will become a very strong support. And from here, look forward for market to again going up. So there is a trade plan for tomorrow. Uh, Two opportunity. First, as a aggressive trader, if one want, can take a dip towards downward side, and the second trade, which is official trade, is buy on dip at pivot and Camarilla H3, which is at 14688. Now let's see what happens today. So today my trade plan was to buy on dip with indication that market has taken shown bullish reversal pattern on 5th of May. Although I made a mistake and I had carried one PE position with me. So in the morning during the first half, I played around this two bar, and on this green bar I exited, and after that I somehow just couldn't focus on the market today, and I didn't take any trade on Nifty, but I did enter in, took some position in Reliance and HDFC, and we got this wave up. So no trade for me. So on Nifty, this is my PE exit position, and this is my Reliance future entry, and this is my HDFC uh, entry. So what I did is that I, on this red bar, I enter one more PE shot to average my position, and then I got out on this red bar, on this green bar, and then market actually shown the very nice deep towards pivot, and this was actually the right entry, and I somehow I just couldn't take this trade. So what's the learning? Learning is, when you sit in the market, sit with the cool mind, and ensure that you don't lose your focus when you are trading. Uh, so that's my learning for today. Uh, I hope these discussions have added value to your trade setup and trading idea. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. Stay healthy, wear mask. Jai Hind.